my name is Sierra and I want to welcome you to my channel, and today I am doing lamination pouches. There's a few reasons why I like doing these, and that is a lot of times my dies won't fit in. What I typically use is one of these. It's kind of hard to see, but it's just a little pouch. And these pouches measure just over 5.5, and just fold that tab down, probably about 7.5. And I have these. They're already on a magnetic sheet. I just have to cut it down. And these have been sitting on a shelf. They're unbranded dies, and I want to make a pouch to fit these in, because obviously they won't fit in here. So that's what we're gonna do. So I thought I'd make a video of it. What you want is you want two pouches, laminating pouches, and one pouch. I'm gonna get my trimmer out. And I'm going to cut the end off, because here is, I'm sorry, here's where the pouch opens. So I'm going to cut the other end off. Get the hair off of there. And cut the end off. Let's go about 1/2 inch. Okay. And then on the side, I want to make it just a little bit smaller. So we're going to come in, let's come in about 3/8 of an inch. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Because we want these to fit inside of this other pouch. Let's set this to the side. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this pouch, and I've cut it now to where I can separate it. Okay. And you have a shiny side and a dull side. You want to split it, and you want to put the shiny sides back to back. So I got two dull sides. Okay. I'm going to take my other laminating pouch and move my laminator out of the way. Take my other laminating pouch. I'm going to open it up. Okay. And I'm going to set it inside that pouch. Pull it over a little bit. Like, you want to make sure everything is lined up. You want to have an edge here. You can see where I cut this one. It fits there. Let me see if I can move it over without shifting everything. Okay. I have an edge here, and I have an edge here. I don't know if you can see that well. And then I'm going to close this down. Okay. Now I got pouches within pouches. Now I'm going to get my laminator. It's just a basic Scotch laminator. I bought it from Walmart years ago. And I'm going to set this in like so. And it's going to come out this way. Okay, now we have something that looks like this. Okay, I'm gonna get my trimmer back in. Let's see if I can hold it up to here. on a black piece of paper. Okay. You see where I have that little right there? That's the one, the outside pouch, that's the inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that all the way through. Cut it off. Okay. And now what I'm left with is a pouch, a sealed pouch. Okay. Okay. Got that done. So we have a pouch that measures we're gonna do the inside pouch. Okay, that measures 8 5/8 by 10 3/4, which is pretty good. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this down. Let's see. Okay, and this measures 8 inches by 8 inches. So this one, I'm going to, the side is, let me move this out of the way. This out of the way. Okay, so this is my open side. So okay, there's 8 inches. I don't want it, or the pouch is 8 inches right here. I don't want it to fit exact. I want it to be a little bigger. So I'm going to take it down to 9 inches. 9 inches. Laminating pouch actually extends to 9 1/4. I'm going to cut that off. Okay. I'm going to take this, and now I can slide it in, and I have storage for my large dies. There you go. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, please hit subscribe. I promise I have more videos coming out. I have a lot of ideas for this channel. And if you have any suggestions or any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And I will see you next time. You have a great day, and God bless. Bye.